What's going on, YouTube? It's your man D-Dub from Tires on Tarmac, man. Good morning, everybody. You know what I mean? It's that day again. Got to get ready to go back in on the truck. It's a beautiful day. You know what I'm saying? Check out my yard. It's coming along. You know what I'm saying? I do landscaping on amateur landscaping too. If y'all can see that. Doing my hedges and all that. But anyway, man, I just want to give y'all an update because I haven't talked to y'all about what I did recently to Cherry Bomb, man. Let's go over here and check her out, you know what I mean? So I ain't show y'all this, but I recently added another spoiler king, roof spoiler from Spoiler King on Cherry Bomb. Y'all check it on out. And she look dope, you know what I'm saying? Because I added a high-end more wax, silicone like wax, the modern wax. And you see how the water's beating up on her paint. You know what I mean? The whole car beat it up. Whole car all the way down. You know what I'm saying? But I wanted to show y'all that Spoiler King. Check it out. Let me know in the comments if y'all like that. You know what I mean? And now it ties in with my one I bought first. And they both operate properly. It's planet now is what I'm trying to say. The vehicle at high speeds, it's steady. Mom, I can hit a $105, $110 easy in here with no sweat. This car can do that, no sweat. And it's completely planet in the rear. And it's not enough drag to really affect my power band when I accelerate or whatever. So it's perfect. Because it gives me the right amount of downforce and drag and performs the way it looks, but also performs because it's Spoiler King. And you see how it ties in with my other bone, see? So when I stand back for y'all, you know what I'm saying? Now y'all see that whole rear end just changes. And I'm gonna let you see it from the rear, how it looks. See? From that angle, you can see both of them from that angle from the back. See how it ties in that back end? You see what I'm saying? See from that angle? Like a corner 45-degree angle, see that? So, yeah, I just wanted to keep y'all updated on that. Let y'all know, man, what's been going on lately, man. It's your man D-Dubs. I'll be hollering at y'all also about what's going on, what's hot or not. You know, that's the part of the channel when I do a quick recording for y'all about what car I picked, and I write my own little review on it and what's it about and talk about it a little bit. So look out for that this week because I'll be back on the truck later on in the evening. So, but yeah, man, hope y'all day was good, man. Whatever, man. Mine's good. Check out my garden. Most of this over here is new. And then I bought this from Walmart, you know what I'm saying? But you just water them and they'll stay good for the season to the first thaw. To the first frost come in. These will stay good all summer. But yeah, see that? Yeah. Anyway, man, I just wanted to holler at y'all and let y'all know what it is, man, as far as an update and stuff, you know what I mean? And yeah, man, I hope y'all like that, man. Let's go ahead and check it out one more time, man, before I end this vlog. See? Boom, from that angle. So yeah, you can see that. And then, you know, I'm working on some dope wheels and custom tires, but they got to be performance. So I'm working on that, guys. So stay tuned for that, and that's gonna happen this summer, probably later on this late summer, but it's gonna happen. And you know, also while I'm talking about that, my air intake go in Friday, you know what I'm saying? So I'll be off duty Friday, you know what I mean? That air intake going in, you know what I mean? And I'm telling you, this is JDM, man. I'm gonna show people what the car is really about when you put the right performance mods on it. So man, this your man D-Dubs. Y'all be cool. You know what I mean? Stay up. Take care of your loved ones, man. Grind. You know what I mean? I'll talk to y'all real soon, man. All right. Yeah, I like that, Red.